Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 15, light. So what is light? Light is a kind of energy. It makes the things visible. Before going further, we should know how light travels. Light travels along a straight line. To explain this, here is one activity. Light a candle and fix it on a table. Take a piece of straight pipe or a rubber tube. Look at the candle through the pipe. You can see the candle flame. If the pipe is bent, you cannot see the candle flame. This shows that light travels along a straight line. So in this activity, they are telling you that light travels in a straight line. How? First you have to light a candle and then you have to see it with the help of a straight hollow pipe. You will be able to see the lighted candle easily. But as you bend the pipe, it will be very difficult for you to see the lighted candle. This activity indicates that light always travels in a straight line. Reflection of light. When light falls on a mirror, the direction of light changes. This change in the direction of light by a mirror is called reflection of light. As we have studied that light always travels in a straight line. But if it strikes any surface, shiny, smooth surface, its direction is changed. And when light falls on a mirror, the direction of light changes. This change in the direction of a light by a mirror is called reflection of light. To explain this, here is another activity. Take a torch and cover its glass with a chart paper. Having a small hole, spread a chart paper on a wooden board. Keep a plain mirror vertically on it. Direct a beam of light at an angle of the mirror. The direction of light changes. If the torch is moved slightly to other side, the direction of light also changes. So here is an activity with the help of torch. What you have to do? You have to light a torch on a glass or mirror. What you will see, you will observe that when light strikes the surface of mirror, it gets bounces back, making such kinds of angles. So in this way, mirror is responsible for changing the direction of light. Image formed by a plane mirror. So what are the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror? The image is erect. It will always be erect. The image is of same size as the object. The image formed by a plane mirror will be of the same size as the object is. The image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object in front of it. And the distance will be also same as it is of object from the mirror. The same distance will be of image from the mirror. The image is virtual. It cannot be obtained on a screen. The image formed by the plane mirror is virtual. In the image, the right side appears left and the left side appears right. And the image formed is laterally inverted. The sides appears to be opposite in the mirror. Now here another types of mirror we are going to study. These are spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are curved mirrors. The shape of the spherical mirrors are curved. If the reflecting surface is inside, the spherical mirror is a concave mirror. If the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is curved inside, then it is said to be the concave mirror. And if the reflecting surface is outside, the spherical mirror is said to be convex mirror. For example, a stainless steel spoon also acts like a mirror. As stainless steel act like a mirror because its surface is smooth and shiny. The inner side acts like a concave mirror and the outer side acts like a convex mirror. You can see in the diagram the stainless spoon, the side which is curved inside, that is the concave, and the side which is curved outside, that is the convex. Image formed by concave mirror. The image formed by concave mirror may be smaller or larger than the object. So it is not such like a plane mirror. The image formed by the plane mirror, it is totally different. The image formed by the concave mirror can be smaller or larger than the object. The size can be varied. The image may also be real, can be obtained on a screen, or virtual, cannot be obtained on a screen. So the image formed by the concave mirrors can be virtual also and real also. The image may be inverted or erect. The image can also be inverted or erect. To explain this, here is one activity. Fix a concave mirror on a screen, light a candle and keep it at a distance of 50 cm from the mirror. Try to obtain the image of the candle flame on a screen by moving the screen. Observe the image, then move the candle closer to the mirror at different distances and observe the mirror. So here, what you have to do? You have to do an activity to tell that what kind of images are formed with the help of concave mirror by changing its distance, by changing the distance of object from the mirror. Then you will come to know whether the image is larger, smaller, erect, inverted, real or virtual. Uses of concave mirrors. Concave mirrors are used as reflectors in torches, headlights of cars, scooters, etc. Concave mirrors are used by dentists to see enlarged images of teeth. Concave mirrors are used by doctors for examining eyes, ears, nose and throat. So, here are some of the uses of concave mirror. As we have learned that images can be formed with the help of concave mirrors are large, smaller, erect or upright, inverted or virtual or real. Image formed by convex mirror. The image formed by convex mirror is virtual, cannot be obtained on a screen. The image is smaller in size than the object. So here there are two characteristic features of image formed by convex mirror. Okay, the image will always be the smaller than the object and will always be virtual. Now uses of convex mirror. Convex mirrors are used as side mirrors in cars, scooters, etc. Convex mirror has a wider view to help drivers to see the traffic behind them. So these are mostly used in the mirrors of the vehicles, that also the side mirrors, okay, like cars, scooters, truck, buses, and so that they can help to see the wider area in a small image only. It is very helpful for the driver. Now we are going to study about the lenses. Lenses are of two main types. They are convex lenses and concave lenses. Convex lens is thick in the middle and thin at the edges. A convex lens bends light inwards, so it is called converging lens. So here is one feature of convex lens, that it is thick in the middle and it is thin at the corners. And it bends the light inwards, means the lights gets converged at a single point. So that's why it is also known as the converging lens. Concave lens is thin in the middle and thick at the edges. You can see in the diagram. Concave lens is thick in the middle, thin in the middle, and it is wider at the ends. It bends light outwards, so it is called diverging lens. And what it do, it bends the lights get spreaded from a single point to different directions, so it is also known as diverging lens. You can see in the diagram. Image formed by convex lens. The image formed by convex may be smaller, larger than object. The image may also be real, cannot be obtained on a screen, or virtual, cannot be obtained on a screen. The image may inverted or erect, may be inverted and erect as well. Image formed by concave lens. The image formed by concave mirror is virtual. The image formed by concave lens is virtual. The image is smaller in size than the object. So here are the features of image formed by convex lens in concave lens. Uses of lenses. Lenses are used in spectacles, microscopes, telescopes, cameras, etc. Now next phenomenon is sunlight, white or colored. As we know that sun is the natural resource which help us to see the things properly during the daytime, and it also gives us light energy and heat energy. A rainbow is usually seen in the sky after a rain, when the sun is low in the sky. A rainbow has 7 colors. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So here is one term, rainbow. So how it is formed? This forms with the help of the water droplets in the white light of the sun. When there is moisture in the environment, then what happens? These water droplets acts as a prism. So when the sunlight strike these water droplets, it splits into 7 colors. That is Vibgyor. Okay, they are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These 7 colors are visible in this rainbow. Activity: take a glass prism and allow a narrow beam of sunlight to fall on one side of prism. keep a screen on the other side of the prism, we can see that 7 rainbow colors on the screen. This shows that sunlight or white light is a mixture of 7 colors. So here in this activity they are saying to take a glass prism and allow the white light of the sunlight to pass through it. When this sunlight will pass through the prism, it will split into 7 colors. So this shows that the sunlight consists of 7 colors. Mixing the rainbow colors produces white light. As we know that white light produces splits into 7 colors. In the same way, if these 7 colors are combined or condensed into back to its position, then it will produce white light. If the 7 rainbow colors are mixed together, it produces white light. Activity: take a circular cardboard and divide it into 7 segments. Paint the 7 rainbow colors on it. Make a small hole in the center of the disc. Fix the disc on the tip of a refill of a ball pen. When the disc is rotated fast, the colors get mixed and appears white in color. This disc is known as Newton's color disc. So, to explain this, that the rainbow colors produces white light, here is one activity. What you have to do? You have to take a cardboard disc. You have to cut a circular cardboard piece, and then you have to paint the 7 parts. You have to 7 parts with different colors of that particular disc. Then what you have to do? You have to make a center hole, and then you have to insert a refill or any stick. Then you have to roll it. You have to rotate that disc with fast speed. What you will see, if you will observe, while rotating, these 7 colors get mixed and the white light is only visible. The disc appears to be in white colors. This disc is known as the Newton's colors, or this disc is known as the Newton's colors disc.